Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how we can create an automatic credit memo in Oracle Fusion Accounts Receivable module. Click on Receivables, click on Billing, click on Task List, click on Credit Transaction. Against which transaction you want to create, select the transaction. The transaction date is 14. So search. Yes, this is the transaction. Against this particular transaction I want to create. What is the transaction source? You have to create with which transaction source you want to create the credit memo. ERPZEN credit memo transaction source. ERPZEN credit memo. The transaction date and the accounting date, and here you can see all reasons, credit reasons, and you can specify the percentage or amount, but I want to specify the amount -50, or let's say -$25. So 100 minus 25, that is equal to 75. Now click on complete and review. Yeah, credit memo is created. Now the transaction number is 201102. Here you can see against which transaction number it was created. Now click on cancel. Click on save and close. Click on OK. Now click on task list. Now click on manage transactions. Search with the transaction date 14. Click on search. Yeah, select this record and open. Here you can see automatically the credit memo was created against 107101 and -$25. You are able to see that. Now click on actions, post to ledger. Yeah, accounting was completed. View accounting. Now here you can see this is the accounting entry. Now click on done. Now click on cancel. Now click on task list. Click on receivables billing. Click on task list. Now click on manage transactions. Now search with transaction date 107101. Open this. Now if you click on actions, view transaction activities, you can see the credit memo 2011102 was created against this transaction, and click on done. Now click on actions, view balance details, Now you can see the original amount is 100 and we have created a credit memo against this transaction sales invoice, and 100 minus 75, the net impact is $75. This is the net total amount. Now click on done. Click on save and close. Click on home. This is how you have to create an automatic credit memo in Oracle Fusion. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.